Akarikwija ahubwo nyuma yo mnyeshengero ahabwa Kanyumu County Opolot Simon Peter Okwalinga okurugayo aketombeitera minister ahabwa ba RDC abatandikire kwejumbira Ahakaruuru kandi bakiri ba RDC
who go and decide to take sides with some candidates, but we have been holding regional meetings with them and advising them to desist from that, because for them they should be neutral.
Abanyeshengero bayitombeitera abari abajwekerwa bo muembezi w'ihanga muri za district ahubwo kwejumbira omuntekateka z'Akarikwija beina abantu abo barukuhagira ngo kandi batarukwikirizibwa
ba RDC zabamwe nibakira kwetasyo mu nshonga zo bwebembezi kandi ubundi bakirenga barenga mwenu barengutuka eco minister yagira ngo naza kubeta abagambire batwaze mpora konkakana n'ekindi twine kuba ntukimanya ngo ba RDCs nibakorera president
RDCs abo kushangana interfering na candidates mu district shanga RDC na interfering na candidate wa RCC nanda ku dictatingira abantu umuherezo gw'Akarikwija kandi yono mushangirinkaye nari mu family so tureba ngo kiba kigwiri
hati aba ba RDCs it's exactly ngakinahiza kubagambira ba RDCs nabona abantu kandi nibijagumana ba ubaryaho bintu bakuhagira abo batariho umuyanga ariyo no utene wakuhagira so nuje kushanga ngo RDC oguna hagira nka sitting member of parliament na hagira opponent hati icyo nkirigirira ha muntu konga tukugirira office
aho nuho ori umuhandiki mukuru wa office yo muembezi w'ihanga hagiyo nasika kandi yashoborera ngo beizire nibakwatagana na ba RDC okurebeka ngo baruga ombyo butegeki.
So these are guys that we must identify proper talent and deploy it in the right in the right area. Some of them may not be very good managers, some of them may not be very good development analysts or development promoters. So that is the issue. But otherwise, the office itself is a very vital office in as far as monitoring government programs.
Amuringo nubwo gumwe abanyeshengero aba bashoborora na hanshonga yo kugira ngo office yo muembezi w'ihanga ino kuhebwa esente eziri kumara kurebeka ngo entekateka za mukuru w'ihanga ezo kushemesa abantu ahabye mikono za kira
tiriho sente kureba ngo ibintu ebyo president zagira ki yatunga esente ezo office ya president yatunga sente ezo bere president araganise bibase kukirizibwa
tubongere ha budget yabo abo kubandi betorori hanga ryona bakora that supervision kandi nito ba leaders abandi nivyo tugerizeho konka buri omwe no mogagwe ogwarakora ato gwabo no supervising kandi ito goito no kureba ngo programs za government zakora
amakuru aga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano ahabwa Tayari West.